Hi everyone. Are you ready to level up your grammar game? So without any delay, let's get started. Gap. The food was delicious, the service was terrible. I want to eat either pizza, Gap, pasta. You cannot catch the bus, Gap. You run fast. She is a great musician, Gap. She is also a talented dancer. Nehru was not only a politician, Gap, also a writer. I am not sure if I will attend the event, Gap. I haven't received the invitation. Do you want to live in Mumbai, Gap, in Bangalore? We reached Gap. The drama had ended. Gap. The movie was long, it was worth watching. I will either go to the party, Gap, I will stay home. If you haven't subscribed to our channel, Grammar Quizzes, then subscribe to our channel now and set the bell notification to all. See you at the next quiz.